Okay, this is our CAD room. This is where we create digital patterns and we grade them into sizes, and then we create the cut markers that are placed on top of the layers of fabric out on our cutting table so that we can cut efficiently and not waste very much fabric. So what we do is we create all of our patterns here on this computer, which is running Gerber. Gerber is the industry standard software that's used to make digital patterns. We also have a digitizer here, so we could take paper patterns and get them into our computer this way. We can also reverse engineer like a vintage dress if you want to, or maybe you've had your own things made overseas and now you don't want to make them there anymore, but you don't own your patterns because they did it there and didn't give you your intellectual property, which happens all the time. So you can bring your garment here, we can reverse engineer it. After the patterns are made and the markers are made, we print them out here on this plotter. So here we want to give you all of your intellectual property. We make sure that everything is digitally done. We also make sure that you have complete tech packs with all of your fabric and trim information properly laid out in the way that it needs to be, as well as your specs and your technical information, your seams, your flats, everything that is needed for proper manufacturing. It's what your factory should be asking you for. They need a tech pack, and usually they need a sew-by, which is the sample that's already been developed. And then sometimes they need your pattern, and they need your pattern graded, and they even need markers made before they can cut and sew, depending on where you go. So we're going to provide you with everything that you need here so that you can get production-ready samples created and production-ready tech packs so that you can manufacture anywhere and you can you own your own intellectual property. All right, the next thing we're going to do is go see our backstage hair and makeup rooms and the area where everybody gets ready when it's time for a fashion show.